TempusAI is one of the most innovative AI companies in the stock market this year. And overall, it's already up over 131% year to date in 2025. So investors want to know what's going on with Tempus AI stock and why this healthcare applications artificial intelligence company is soaring as much as it is. I'll provide details to support the development of the company's growth and what management thinks about the company's profile looking ahead to future quarters and future years. Right, the company's management team highlighted that the second quarter was a fantastic quarter and the company is hitting its stride as we approach our 10th anniversary. Revenue increased by 89.6% to $315 million. Genomics revenue increased by 115% on accelerating volume growth in oncology, which increased from about 20% in the previous quarter to 26% in the current quarter. And whenever you have a company that's generating accelerating revenue growth, especially with a company generating overall revenue growth close to 90%, that's going to get investors excited. Not very many companies are growing revenue at 90%, especially not at the scale where they're generating over 300 million in revenue on a quarterly basis. So the increase in revenue is boosting the company's quarterly gross profit, which jumped to 195 million, and that was up 160%. The business is growing and they continue to be disciplined about investments they're making. They also saw a sequential improvement in adjusted EBITDA, which went from negative 16 million last quarter to negative 5.6 million this quarter. And I say this often, I don't mind when companies are losing money on the bottom line. That's okay. Some companies in the early stages of growth will lose money on the bottom line. But what I like to see from those companies that are losing money on the bottom line, to demonstrate to me improvement, to show me that they're getting closer to profitability, to show me the path to profitability, so that as an investor, I can become reasonably confident that this company over time will become a very lucrative and very profitable business. So the results so far in 2025 were good enough where the company had to increase their expectations for the rest of the year. They're now updating their 2025 revenue guidance to 1.26 billion, but they're maintaining their adjusted EBITDA forecast of about 5 million for the year, which would be a 110 million improvement from the previous year. Click the link below to watch the full video.